It's battery operated. I'm so glowing, right? Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing and are safe. I know I've been not posting for quite some time now. It's been a week, and that is the longest I've been to not posting ever since I've started this channel. But now I'm back because I had a couple of things going around and I was also not doing well. So now that I'm back, we can just get back to videos, and I hope you enjoy my videos further. If you watch the channel, hi, my name is Ishita and I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle, food, everything and anything that comes to my mind basically. Also, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also press that bell notification so that you're posted every time I upload a video, and also follow me on my Instagram. That will really be a lot to me. Having said all of that, let's just now get. So now, as you've read by the title of the video, today's video is gonna be about a random Amazon haul. I call it random because it won't be like clothing, accessories or home decor that people usually buy from Amazon. A bunch of random stuff that I bought from Amazon, but however, these are not impulsive shopping that I did. These are things that I wanted to buy for quite some time now, and finally I did it. There's a couple of things and I'll be showing you one by one. It's a lot of varied things, so we'll be just get into the video. So guys, the first things first, I have Rubik's Cube. Now I have two Rubik's Cubes. This is the 3x3 and this is the 4x4. Now I am not that amazing to be able to solve both of these. I can however try with these 3x3, but these 4x4 is specifically for my brother. I just wanted to buy this just to, you know, keep my mind engaged, and 4x4 is not my cup of tea for sure, but this one I can try, and yeah, I will do that. This is for my brother, 4x4, and this 3x3 is for me. I think I bought this for 150-200 rupees each. I'll link it down below in case you want to buy it for yourself. But yeah, I bought these cubes. Pretty random, yeah, but I think it's great. It's cool. Next up, I have this nail glue from Miss Claire. Now I really like the glue. It actually sticks on really nicely. Ye sookta nahi hai. It does not dry away, because I had a couple of other nail glues which used to dry away really fast, but this does not do that. So this is the second time I've bought it, but my press-on nails are finished. I need to buy that as well, and I simply forgot to buy that. But anyway, this is the glue that I have. The third thing that I have is this one. It's the Streak hair serum. Now I usually buy all of these stuff from Nykaa, but since I was buying a couple of things from Amazon, I thought why not just give it a try here itself, because Nykaa mein jaungi, I have to, you know, fill in my cart for what, rupees 500 or 700, I don't remember, but I don't have so many things to buy right now, so no point really. So this one is for 200 rupees. The price for this one is 210. I got 10 rupees off. And yeah, it actually is like the original ones that I usually buy from the stores or from Nykaa. It is the same, no difference whatsoever. I won't say that it's a duplicate or something. It's great. I have used a little bit, tad bit, because it has just come. And yeah, I have bought this. I have 3 books. One is this one, Think and Grow Rich. Now guys, my reason for buying books is that, you know, I really want to read more of books, and I've not been reading anything for the past 6 months. I just read my curriculum books, wo bhi thoda bahut, but I really want to read, and you know, screen time is so much already. I cannot read online because it just gets so difficult. Also, I have so mote specs, aur badh jayenge wo, so isliye I bought the books, and yeah, that's the reason for buying these books. This is Think and Grow Rich. I have heard a lot of good reviews about it, and it's just for the mindset self-help books. I have bought self-help books only. That's what I did not want to buy anything fiction. Romantic love story तो यार देख लेते हैं ना हम लोग, तो books अच्छा है. ये Rich Dad Poor Dad. Now I have read this book, but my brother haven't. So he wanted to read a book. I mean, he wanted to read this specific book. My brother wanted to read this book, so we have bought it from him. And it's a great book. I loved it when I have read it. It's a great book for investment purposes and things like that. So it's a good book. The third book that I have here is this one. It's How to Win Friends and Influence People. You might have heard a lot about it, and even I have. And so I got this book. This book was for 150 rupees, and I got this for 95 rupees, and I think it's great for 95 rupees. बहुत सही book है. Price इसके मैं सब नीचे डाल दूंगी guys. मुझे इसके 499 है, कुछ डिस्काउंट में ही मिला होगा. और इसका प्राइस 175 है. Again, I'm sure I've got it at a discounted rate. So these are the 3 books that I have, and yeah, if you have read these books, please let me know how did you like it. So yeah, that's that. Now the third counting, let's leave that. Now I have this particular charcoal sheet mask. This is really nice. I love it. So one is being used by my brother and this one is for me. I probably will use it today itself. So yeah, that's that. Now this is a fairy light. Okay, so this is a fairy light. I had fairy lights earlier also with me, but that is like वो खत्म हो चुका है. I cannot use it. That is done and dusted. So I needed a fairy light. This is great, but you know the problem is इसको रखूँ कैसे? I mean that is the problem. It's battery operated. I'll just show you. Wait. It's battery operated. I'm so glowing, right? Battery operated, and it's a beautiful fairy light. I can use it, right? So anyway, this is a fairy light that I've got. It's a beautiful fairy light, but again, how do I keep it? I don't really know. So that's that. Now another thing that I bought, it's not random per se. I have ordered this ring light. Now this is not the stand wala ring light. This is like just a ring light. You just have the ring light here and you can attach it onto your tripod and you can use it as a USB. You can just put it in your charger and you can use it. It also has this thing to hold it. So yeah, I just attach it to my tripod or keep it somewhere just to get the light. So this is what I have from the tripod part. That's that. Another thing that I have from Amazon is a violin. Now, I wanted to learn violin for quite some time now, but I was always contemplating as to whether I should buy one or I shouldn't. But finally, I thought that एक बार खरीद के देख लेते हैं. So I have this violin here. This one is the violin. But I'm not going to open and show because it's a lot of things here. But I have this violin. Guys, the violin's quality is very, very, very bad. And I cannot use this. I have returned it. The person will come to take it today or tomorrow. And you cannot use this violin at all. It's so worn out. Itna kharab aaya tha ye. It did not have anything. I mean, it was broken, half broken. So this one was very bad. This violin is very bad. So I think I'll be buying it from a store once the lockdown is restored. I will be buying that from the store itself because online तो मैं नहीं खरीद सकती because this quality was absolutely rubbish. So can't really buy that. Yeah. So I think I'm done. Yeah, I'm done with all the items that I got from Amazon this month. And yeah, if you happen to like the video, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and also press that bell notification. I'm saying this again, but please do that. It'll mean so much to me. Come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoy the video and find it useful or interesting, whatever you might say. And yeah, see you next time. Till then, bye. Have a great day. Just me.